welcome to the vlog. What have we found today?
A turtle.
Oh my goodness.
He's so small.
That's a rock for, oh, you can see him moving around. Oh, look, he's gonna dive into the water. Whoop! Now he's swimming.
It's an eastern painted turtle.
Oh.
Eastern what?
Painted turtle.
Oh.
He's so cute.
Do they live in water or
Well, he's swimming around.
what's their habitat?
Look, see?
Yeah.
Yep, that's him.
That's him. He's in the water now.
Oh.
Bubby, here's a turtle.
He's like, get me out of here.
He's gonna drown him.
Well, I mean, he went off the rock into the water, so like, where did he come from?
Adults are generally 4 to 7 inches long. They live in still or slow-moving freshwater bodies with soft bottoms and plenty of vegetation, like ponds, lakes, and marshes.
So,
It's like you go into the park.
They are omnivores, eating aquatic plants, insects, crayfish, snails, small fish, and carrion. Carrion?
Dead
maybe
stuff.
you should send him to the pond over there.
Where? Oh, no. He's not going there.
They are diurnal and spend a lot of time basking on logs or rocks. They are timid and will flee from humans. Wow, they can live for over 30 years in the wild.
Wow. Well, this one is clearly just a little guy.
It's just a baby.
But where's his parents?
I don't know.
Who knows? The eggs and then they disappear.
Where are you going to take him?
Probably that park in Walden where I took the other one.
Oh.
That's so cool. I just put a picture on Google and it told me what it was.
Yeah. That happens.
But I've never done that before.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
It's called Google Image Search.
Yeah, I've never used that
Yeah,
before.
it's pretty cool.
You're beautiful.
He is beautiful, or she.
When I took the picture where I could see like the bottom and the face,
mouth.
it looked just like the jelly cat.
Yes, it did.
Ah.
It did.
So cute. Bubby doesn't even know who's in there.
No, he doesn't.
Bubby, there's a friend in there.
He says, I don't want to know. Don't show me.
Well, I don't want to freak him out.
No. All right, well, just another Thursday night surprise.
Yep. Yeah, Bubby.
Oh.
Hey.
We just got back from shopping. What an ordeal. Everything went fine with the shopping until we got to after the shopping. So we already told Sean that he's not getting french fries till next week. So our shopping buddy Kristen was sick today, so we did her shopping for her, and she said, would you mind picking me up an Impossible Whopper for dinner? And Sean thought it was for him.
All about him.
And when we went to go drop it off, you got out of the car and he screamed like he was in a horror movie.
It's our boy.
So there's that. But what are you going to do? I'm hoping he's getting over it now, but we got a lot of stuff today. I mean, this is a lot of stuff. We went to BJ's for the first time in a while.
Yeah.
It's been a long time. So at BJ's today, we got hash browns because tomorrow's Father's Day. Very exciting. Father.
I guess I won't be fasting tomorrow.
Father. Yeah, otherwise you won't be eating anything when the kids are here. We got cream cheese, BioLife, of course. We got our favorite Mi Niña tortilla chips. Mark and I were discussing whether we should get the avocado potato chips or the avocado sweet potato chips. And he is such a gentleman that he let me win. We already got the sweet potato ones at Aldi, remember?
Mm-hmm.
We got creamer. We got BioLife mozzarella. We got some chicky tenders. We got marinated mushrooms. We should have these tonight because we're having salad with dolmades tonight. You got some tzatziki sauce. I'm gonna have some Dayo dressing with mine. We got some of these. Seem new. This says improved recipe, but I don't remember seeing these before. Simply Protein crispy bars. Oh, look at what you found.
Yeah, it's crumbs.
Oh.
Look at this stuff. Here's what I get.
Honey, you're the best. Tomorrow's your day. Anyway, I gotta show you everything that we got here because somebody is hungry. And I don't know how much longer they're gonna last. So, we also went to Aldi. We got some good stuff. I got some tofu. I can never get enough tofu at Aldi. Every time I go there, I get 3 to 5 packages of tofu because I'm a tofu protein queen. And I think tonight I'm going to make some tofu pudding. Jalapeno stuffed olives. It's a must. My taco filling. We got some ready-made rice. We got brown basmati. We got some quinoa and brown rice. These are like a dupe for those, what are they called?
What?
The rice.
Oh,
Seeds of Change. So we got 2 of those. We got this, no pun intended, cool rechargeable fan. This looks pretty good. If you want to crack that open and see what that's like. We got some organic black beans. They were all out of the kidney beans. Newsflash. Aldi was all out of the organic red kidney beans. Ooh, we can have some of this mixed greens tonight. I also got some coleslaw mix, and we also have some romaine left over, so we can have a real nice tossed salad. Would that fit your definition of salad? We got some green beans from Aldi, but we also got some Blue Lake green beans from ShopRite, the Hanover brand. These look really good. These are haricot verts. It said it right on the package somewhere. I swear to God, it said it. They also had these marked down, the Morningstar Farms Breakfast Bites, vegan egg and sausage.
noisy.
It is noisy. Maybe it's unbalanced. They had this on sale, the avocado oil Beyond Beef for $7.99. We got broccoli crowns, and there's a pound of asparagus in there too. Was the broccoli the same price as the asparagus?
Broccoli was $1.49.
Oh, what was the asparagus? $1.99? Bless you.
So, yeah.
That's still good. Still good. So even though Sean didn't get Burger King, he did get the Heroes versus Villains. And he got 3 packages of the Minions goldfish. It's super noisy, but I bet you could. I bet you could fix it.
I'm not fixing that.
I bet you could fix it.
It's junk.
No,
The deal guy recommended it.
he did.
Yes.
I bet you could fix it.
Why do I even want to bother?
I think maybe just something's a little bit loose.
You're not fixing that.
Do you want to take it back?
Perhaps.
Maybe try a different one. I got Mark some special coffee for tomorrow morning for Father's Day. I'm gonna sneeze.
Bless you.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody in the comments. Some maple sausage, maple and apple sausage, plant-based, of course. I got some Kalamata olive hummus. Mark got some tzatziki, special juice, more vegan pesto, straight up black olives. They had one of my favorite olive oils on sale. Obviously, this is not the one that Granny would get all the time, the California olive oil. But this one's pretty good too. I got some peanut butter granola. The Barilla Bronzo was on sale for $1.99. I only got the imported from Italy one, so we got 2 spaghettis and 2 orecchiettes. Natural peanut butter for the peanut butter cookies I'm making for tomorrow. Some more plant-based chicken fillets because Mark is having his favorite dinner, the chicken parm dinner. He had that for his birthday and he's having it tomorrow too. Some Daya was on sale. I got 2 bottles of that the other day. I was very happy about that. The Italian flour was on sale for $2.79 a bag, which is very, very, very good. Some vegan yellow rice mix, and this is for the, you know, what are they? I just said it. Now I just totally went poof. The chicken parmesan. Oh my goodness. That is everything we got. Now I have to make a fake Burger King burger for my son so that he doesn't lose his S. And I have some French fries all ready to go too, so good on me. Oh, it's your day.
I know, such delicious food.
Wonderful. We have, by the way, happy Father's Day
Thank you.
to the best father ever. I see you have your role model Jackie Daytona on.
Yes.
We also have some strudel.
Oh, everything smells so good.
Sean G has blessed us with these amazing bagels today. Unbelievable. Give yourself a big round of applause.
Woke up at 6 a.m. to do it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Happy Father's Day.
Thanks.
We have some cage-free eggs or pasture. I can't remember if they're pasture-raised or it's pasture-raised. We got hash browns so greasy, the outside of the package was greasy. It almost
Wow.
slipped out of my hand when I pulled it out of the freezer at BJ's. We have some vegan sausage and some vegan egg bites. And we got you guys. Unfortunately, Kristen's still sick.
Yeah.
Excuse me. You already had your breakfast, sir.
Baby! What are you looking for?
Second breakfast.
And third, and fourth, and fifth.
11.
Yeah. All right. And how was your special coffee that you picked
It was
out?
good.
Yeah.
Yeah, coffee.
All right. Eat up.
Don't be surprised when 2 spots come home.
Mom is gonna retire.
Mom has had a long few days.
Yes.
But look at how soft this yarn is.
Oh, I could just have a little nap right now.
Right?
It's Monday, and you know what that means. Somebody's been calling me all weekend.
Yeah.
Not you.
Chris has been homesick, so she's been calling a lot.
It's been a lot,
Yeah.
but you already knew that.
Luckily, she's feeling better, it seems like, so.
Yes. But it's been a very long weekend.
How about that Father's Day, though? That was fun.
That was a lot of fun. Your husband made delicious, delicious bagels.
They were good. I had one this morning, too.
We're still talking about them.
So good.
Let's give him something to talk about.
Yeah, he got rave reviews from his parents as well.
Did
so,
he?
yeah.
Nice.
They had some this morning, so.
Excellent.
Well done, chef.
Chefy! So, Bowie wants to come back in. It's always something. We've been trying to watch the same episode of Drag Race. But how many phone calls have we gotten during Drag Race already?
Like 3 at least.
Yeah. It's been a lot. Is he wet?
A little bit.
Oh, is it drizzling?
Yeah.
Oh. I gotta get the garbage ready. Guys, I gotta get the garbage ready. Tonight's garbage night. So we've been doing crochet today.
Yes.
And it's been slow going because we've had lots of interruptions.
Yeah.
So,
Mister.
did he just growl at you?
Yeah, he likes to play.
Did you just growl?
You like to play during towel time?
Somebody else is loud. Daddy Mark just went outside to go mow the lawn, but oh my God, what's happening over there? Somebody have rabies? Do you have rabies?
Being crazy.
Oh my goodness. There's no birthday shout outs. Lammy's birthday's not till next week.
Yeah, Lammy, it's almost your birthday.
She's almost 3.
I know, it's crazy.
I'm thinking about buying her a cat wheel, like a big hamster wheel, but for cats. Please, in the comments, tell me if any of you have had any experience with these. Am I wasting my money, or is it something that she's going to use? Because if she's not going to use it, I don't have that much room. But if she's going to love it, I'll make room.
It's hard to say if she'll use it or not.
I know.
Because she loves to run. I just don't know if she'll run on, like, an apparatus. You know what I mean?
She might. She might, Rabbit. So she surprised me. I mean, she took pretty well to that automatic litter box.
Yeah, I mean, one day and then she was in there, really.
Yeah. She was fascinated by it.
Oh, yeah.
So I
She
feel like
loves
she
her
loves
spaceship.
things that move. So let me know. And if I buy a cheap one, is it going to just be future garbage? Or should I, like, buy an expensive one, which I don't really want to do. But let me know.
Yeah.
It's Monday. It's time to say goodbye.
Yes. But
Make new friends, but keep the old.
if you want to see our crochet stuff, we'll be posting a new video tomorrow.
Oh, there's a little sneak preview up there. Blousours.
And then we'll be doing live stream Thursday.
Recipe Wednesday.
Oh, Recipe Wednesday, live stream Thursday, new vlog Thursday.
Right,
So it's a
and
busy week.
Crochet Friday.
Friday. So
And we're going to the movies this week.
that's right. That's gonna be fun.
I want to wish everybody a happy Juneteenth.
Yes, absolutely.
Enjoy the day.
Mm-hmm.
It's been provided to you from the government.
As
So-
it should be.
As it should be. So let's all enjoy and
Yeah.
take advantage of it. So there you have it.
All right. Well, I gotta go.
Get out.
I gotta go home.
All right.
So
You
thank
know what
you,
to do.
everyone, so much for watching. We hope you have a wonderful week.
We almost finished the Chaperone episode.
Almost.
We're so close.
And until next time.
Much love. Bye.